Paano mo start? Hello.
Hi, I'm Lynn from Nasa Motos.
Yung basta kasi akong tiyan, talibang mo din.
Hi, Clark. Hi,
Ay,
Shine.
video ba?
Wow, this is so aesthetic. Hi, James. Anong masasabi mo as this is your last day of school? Hi, Colleen. Micah, imong baby hair. Video to para sa future na nga namamagyo ka. What can you say yourself to your future self? To your second year self?
Punta na, nakaabot ko second year.
Uy, ikaw, as the owner.
Nakapan na siya hanggang second year.
Ikaw, what can you say about yourself?
Oh, wow.
Justin Bieber. Hi, Chan. Say time pa, Chan. Ay, stop na pa na, stop.